We will need a watch case knife, the bezel, and the bezel insert you want to switch to. You'll find a notch on the 12 o'clock of your watch case for bezel removal. This is where we will be inserting the case knife. To begin, hold the watch this way with the 12 o'clock of the watch pointing towards yourself. Using your index finger, you can push the bezel towards yourself. We can then hold our watch case knife this way. At a slight angle, we can insert the blade of our watch case knife into the notch we mentioned earlier. I like to place my index finger at the other side of the bezel for a more stable grip. Wriggle the blade into the gap, push in all the way, and then you can pry off the bezel. Depending on the version of your watch case, you may or may not have a click ring installed. If you have a click ring, be careful not to bend it, and make sure the ring is in place before you insert the bezel. You'll need to apply quite a bit of pressure to install the bezel if it is new, so I would try to protect both the case and the surface you are working on. A stack of post-its works very well for this purpose. When installing the bezel, apply pressure first on one side and then press down firmly to install the bezel. Rotate the bezel to check if it functions correctly. If your bezel cannot rotate, you may have to remove the bezel and reinstall it. You can then apply your bezel insert, aligning it to the chapter ring if you have a new insert. That's it! Time to enjoy the new look of your dive watch. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more watchmaking tutorials and tips.